Have you ever wondered how to make $1,000 a day with YouTube Shorts? It may sound like a far-fetched dream, but today we're going to unravel the mystery of turning this dream into a reality. First off, what are YouTube Shorts? They're brief, engaging videos, no longer than 60 seconds, designed to be consumed quickly and on the go. They are YouTube's response to the surge in short-form video content popularity. So, how do you go about making $1,000 a day with these bite-sized videos? Follow this step-by-step guide, and you might just be the next YouTube Shorts sensation. Firstly, identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you have expertise in? It could be anything from cooking to comedy, fitness to fashion. The key is to choose something that resonates with you and your potential audience. Next, create engaging content. Remember, you only have 60 seconds to capture your audience's attention. Use this time wisely. Make every second count. Infuse your content with creativity, wit, and originality. The third step is to optimize your videos. This involves using relevant titles, descriptions, and hashtags. These elements help your videos get discovered by YouTube's algorithm, leading to more views and, ultimately, more revenue. The fourth step is about consistency. To make a substantial income from YouTube Shorts, you need to upload regularly. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. The fifth and final step is to monetize your content. Once you've established a substantial following, you can start making money from your YouTube Shorts. This can be done through YouTube's partner program, brand partnerships, or even selling your own merchandise. Now, it's worth noting that making $1,000 a day won't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of hard work. But with the right strategy and mindset, it's definitely possible. And there you have it, the secret to making $1,000 a day with YouTube Shorts. It's an exciting journey, one that could potentially change your life. So why not take the plunge? Start creating, start sharing, start earning. Unleash the potential of YouTube Shorts and see where it takes you. Remember, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself.